Alright, YouTube, gonna make a video on the Harbor Freight Pliers set. Let me see something real quick. Alright, let's get back to business. They come with, I don't know what you want to call those, pliers, whatever. Pliers, but they have snips on them. Some kind of circle thing. Maybe, I don't know what it is, put bolts in it maybe, I don't know. Pretty good stuff. I have another pair in my yellow toolbox. And you got the generic pliers. Work good, all of them work great. Little tiny snips. Needle nose. Comes with a little cutter too. And the channel locks here. They positive, lock and stuff. There's nothing wrong with them. It's, what can you say about these? They're pliers. The only thing I used any of them for was this and the needle nose, and I ripped a planter's wart out of my foot. Feels good now because it used to be like a marble. It worked great for that. Well, like I said, what can you say about pliers? It's Harbor Freight stuff, so it's going on the playlist. Pittsburgh Steel or whatever you want to call it. Use the other pair for, the other pair of pliers I have in my yellow box for different things. They all work great. That's basically it. What can you say? Thanks for watching.